How to connect iPhone to Grand I10 Nios. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your iPhone to the Hyundai Grand i10 Nios. Whether you want to use Bluetooth for calls, music, or other smart features, I'll guide you step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. First, turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone by pulling down the top menu bar or going to Settings and Bluetooth. Step 2. Now, with your Hyundai's media screen on, tap Setup. This takes you to general media settings of your car. Step 3. And to connect your iPhone to the Grand i10 Nios, select Device Connections. Step 4. Then, tap on Bluetooth Connections. Step 5. Since your device hasn't been connected before, tap Add New. Step 6. Choose the functions you'd like to enable during the connection, such as contacts or media. Then, tap OK. Now, confirm the pairing code. On your iPhone, look for your car's Bluetooth name under the available devices. Then, confirm the code that appears on both screens to complete the pairing. Step 8. Approve the connection and allow data sharing when prompted on your iPhone. This ensures a more complete and functional connection. Now, if you see the Bluetooth icon on your screen, it means your iPhone is successfully connected to your Grand i10 Nios, and you can enjoy all the features this connection offers. And here are some important points to keep in mind. 1. Make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version to ensure compatibility with your car's system. 2. Only pair your device when the car is parked for safety reasons. Never attempt this while driving. 3. If the connection fails, try restarting your iPhone and the car's infotainment system. Then, repeat the pairing process. And that was the tutorial on how to connect your iPhone to the Hyundai Grand i10 Nios. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your drive.